Skincare is done, and today is some new makeup I'm trying. This is the LYS foundation stick, and look at that match. But wait a minute, it's a little red there. Yeah, but look how well that matches here. I didn't even know what was going on at first. LN6. The Rare Beauty, this is their newer one. Spirited. Maybe that's not the shade for me because it's gone. And it's Rare Beauty, so it should last for a good time. So let's do it again. Bisha, this is new. Look at those colors. It's so pretty. Cream part, but there's no plastic topper for it. Just a little bit. Vanessa Myrick's Evolution Powder. Forgot concealer. That's okay. You didn't do it in order, doesn't matter. Clean off my brows. And this is the Ulta brow gel. And eyeshadow today, the Armani. And blend, come down. e.l.f. Fine as Fleck Glitter Eyeshadow in White Hot. Tap, 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 tap. Shades by Sean, the gel eyeliner, very blue. Eyeliner's done. Using up, I have a little tube here of Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. This is the new Huda Beauty one. Let's see how the stain lasts. It's close to my natural lip tone, which I like. Etude Water Tint. Now watch out because it's very, very liquidy. So this is the cool tone version of new Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in Edgy. You see how the blush is all gone? I don't like that. The Morphe Euphoric Rush and Energized, some on. And I forgot to film it, so there, filming, putting some on. And again, some extras fine because it'll fade. Some more of the Vanessa Myrick's. I should have used a cooler tone for the eyeshadow. So I fixed it. I added some of the About Face back here and I blended it out. That looks good.